When asked to come up with a concept for a new brand of cider, we didn't just create Honesty Box Cider. We launched it with the most successful campaign in the history of advertising. Just by asking New Zealanders how honest they are. Resulting in the favourite cider of Sir Winston Churchill becoming the favourite of Kiwis. Clicking the link on the billboards took people to the website, where they took the Harvard University-designed and CIA-approved Great Kiwi Honesty Test. At the end of the test, they were asked if they would donate to a charity in exchange for free cider. Everyone said they would. So to put their honesty to the test, we sent out cider packs to all 2.8 billion people who had promised to donate. Honesty Box made a huge buzz on the net, with traffic causing internet crashes across the world. And people spending an average of 14 weeks on the website. We kept in contact with our fans online, leading to the product selling out within hours of the first billboards going up. But that wasn't all we found out. 54% of Kiwis had lied for sexual gain, 79% would dob in a cheating friend, and 72% had peed in public swimming pools. We published the results of the survey, which were picked up by news networks worldwide, including Al Jazeera, gaining $473 billion worth of unpaid media. And did people actually make the donations to the charity they promised? In all honesty, they did. Turns out New Zealanders are the most honest people on the planet.